Hi, students. Welcome to spring 2021. Goodbye, 2020. We've had enough of you. All right, so we've learned a lot as teachers and students, and we're going to make a few changes on how the course is going to look. So first of all, for me, all classes are in one spot. So now when you see that I do a video from the teacher perspective, it's got all the classes, which is nice because that means when I do one assignment, it goes out to everybody. So let's look at what's here. Where it says unpublished, you're not going to see the East resources or new student resources until we need it. When you log in, you're going to see the link to our Google Meet. And then you're going to see this right here. And this is where I have put everything I think that you need to know. So when you click on that, move my little camera here. This is what I call a living document, which means it changes. I add things as we need them. I change the documents that are there if they need to be updated. And sometimes I delete things if it's no longer necessary for us to have. So you have the Google Meet join codes. So when you click on that, you're going to get this right here. Pretty much everybody has the same code. It's not a hard pattern to figure out. It's MMS for Maumelle Middle School, East for our course, and then the number for whatever class period you're in. However, the course does not open for you until I open it. So you can go and put that code in whenever you want. Nothing's going to happen until I'm there to let you in, and then I will send everybody off when that is over. So it doesn't really matter if everybody knows it or not. All right, coming back over to our document, take a look at this here for a second. We've got some other things here, and I'm not going to go into all of them. I just want you to see that they're here. We have our Google Meet expectations. We've got our spring assignments, which we are going to look at that in just a second. Syllabus, East daily grades and objectives. There's an East digital classroom that you can look at, that you can explore, and you can click on different parts of it and it'll tell you about East. There's the class schedule, our bell schedule, if you need it. This is a really cool tutorial on how to add different elements and things like that to Google Slides. So a lot of different stuff here. One thing I did want to point out is you might want to consider adding this read and write extension for Chrome. It does a lot of really cool things. If there's a lot of reading to be done, and even I do this sometimes when I'm having to read an online textbook, it will read it to you. It will also help you write, so you might want to look at that as an extra help. All right, let's come back up here to the East Spring assignments and grades. So this is going to be something that's a little bit different from our last semester. All right, so here's what we've got for the spring. Each week, there's going to be 3 grades in the grade book. And in a sense, that means everything you do in East is for a grade. You get 10 points a day for showing up to class on time, staying the entire class time, and working the entire class time on East assignments. Then there's the daily bell ringers. And so each day is worth 20 points, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then there's going to be one Google form that we do, one quiz. Instead of doing them every day, we're going to do every Wednesday. And there'll be another video for that when we're ready for that. And then there's an East activity that we're going to be doing some design thinking. It's going to be really cool, leading us to a 3D printed project that you're going to do in teams. And it's called the City X Project. It's really cool. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it. But it does mean you got to show up for class because you're going to be going into breakout rooms and working with teams. It isn't going to take all class period every day, so we will have plenty of time to work on East projects, and then we'll talk about what you guys who don't have a project are going to be doing when we get to that point. So you will have a total of 50 plus 150, which is 200, plus another 100, so 300 points a week. There will be 3 grades in the grade book, no more, no less. So that'll be very predictable, and I think that'll help you out. So we won't have a grade book that stretches out 8 miles, which is too long. Okay, so I think that that's pretty much everything here that I need to point out to you. You can figure out the rest on your own and explore it. And this semester, we're going to be using our green folder, and that's where the third 9 weeks assignments are going to be. And there is a link to what the grades will be. This is the I'm finished, or I don't have a project, now what assignment, or option, I guess I should really say. And there'll be a separate video for that. And then we have all the weeks already set up. You will see each one as I'm ready for it. And there's week 19, and there'll be a video for that. So I'm really excited about spring 2021. We're going to have a lot of fun, do a lot of great stuff, and I will see you in class.